I don't know if you remember, about 2 weeks ago, I filmed a video. You're going to hear Gianna in the background. She's trying to get in the video. But I was on the hunt in one of my videos for these ears. How cute are these ears, first of all? She wants to be part of the video. I mentioned that I actually found out about these ears on Liz Lennon's shopping group. So Shopping with Character Liz Lennon. One of her followers on there posted about finding these and then adding bows to them. And I was obsessed. I had to find them. I was on a super hunt. I stopped at every Five Below in my area. I want to say five different Five Belows, and not one had them. I want to give a super special thank you. I'm going to mention in the next clip too, only because I'm filming this part after I filmed everything else. Super special thank you to Neolia. She is one of the shoppers in Magic Moment Shoppers. She was in her hometown and was making a trip to Five Below and asked me about them. And was awesome because she found them and she got me 2 pairs. I couldn't love her even more right now. Honestly, I was so excited. But I was even more excited to find out that they weren't $5 a piece like I thought they were. They were just $2 a piece, which even better. So I got 2 pairs of ears for $4. $4, people. Unbelievable, I know. I will be showing clips about me going to try to find fabric for bows. I've tried Hobby Lobby as well as Joann Fabrics. I did not record in Hobby Lobby, unfortunately, but I did record a little bit in Joann Fabrics. But like I said, that will be in the next few clips. And yeah, so just continue watching. Alright guys, so if you saw my Miss Clarence page on Instagram, I posted about the great Neolia from Magic Moment Shoppers finding me the donut ears at Five Below. So we are on the hunt for fabric for the bows now. I'm dying to find sprinkle ones, but I haven't had any luck. So wish me luck at Joann's. So much fabric in here. I don't know where to look. Look how cute this Toy Story one is though. Not that I need it. I swore I saw this one somewhere before. Dust bags maybe? Anyways, they have Dumbo, Simba, stuff. We got Dr. Seuss over here, but I'm looking for something donut-wise or sprinkled-wise. They even have Girl Scout cookies. Like, seriously? Girl Scout? Well, Girl Scout in general, not just cookies. They even have Stitch. Look. That one's cute. We have Anna and Elsa, more Stitch, even Aladdin. Another Toy Story with Ducky and Bunny. Cute. Not what I'm here for. So you're not here for that? Disney Princess, my favorite. Oh my god, this is just. I need to get out of here. I'm gonna get fabric that I don't even need, that I can't even use. Oh my god. Look at this one. Oh my god, if Alana sees this one, she's gonna flip. She's like a Little Mermaid fan. Another Disney princess, like a fleece though. Give them all to me. I actually have ears, custom made ears that have that fabric. So much cute stuff. They have another one over here. Oh my god, I'm dying, guys, I'm dying. It's like a fleece. I wish I knew how to sew stuff because I would actually make dresses for my girls if I could with all these fabrics. But I suck at it. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Excuse any noise you may hear in the living room. Obviously my kids are there and I have to keep the door open. And I wanted to film this real quick. Sorry I didn't film much in the store, especially like the selections that I actually found in reference to ones I was interested in for these ears. But I was boring. I just got plain colors. I did see some sprinkle ones, and I know I did ask on my Instagram stories for people's suggestion and their help, and the sprinkle ones were a little bit more on the pricier end of things, so I didn't want to spend too much, so this is what we got. Just a nice bubblegum pink, and then a nice, like, it's not really a baby blue, but like a light blue. I figured it matches some of the sprinkles. So we're going to do one of each. I was also looking at buttons to see if I wanted to put like a donut button in the center, but I think it would be too much donuts. So yeah, we went super basic, but I'm looking forward to seeing how these come out. I hope my bows don't come out looking weird. So I will be watching plenty of YouTube videos before I jump into making the bows for these ears, but I'm super excited. I mean, I do plan on using these at Disney, but I also am planning to do a donut themed first birthday for Lily, possibly. So I was planning to use these ears as headpieces for her birthday. So I will show you guys once this is finished. I don't know if I will be filming the process or not, but I definitely will show you the end result. Right guys, so what I did first is I just took this iron just to flatten out these wrinkles a little bit, or, you know, iron out the fabric just to get as much as I possibly could out. I couldn't get it completely creaseless, but a little bit better than it was looking for sure. So you just want to continue, and it's personal preference, so whenever you feel like it is perfect and creaseless enough for you, you can just go ahead and get to the next step, which is the measurements. So this was 8 by 11, but there was a change later on that you will see. And then what you want to do with this fabric here is just fold them, or fold it in half, and then you're going to go ahead and take the iron and just press it against that crease there, just so that it gives you a line so that you can base your measurements on for the next part that we're going to go ahead and do here. So the crease there, you're going to take each end and just fold it over to meet in the middle. So that's why we iron that little line there. So it just gives you a measurement so you know exactly where to meet each side in the center perfectly. So we're going to take again the iron just to make it nice and flat and give you a precise line and make everything just look neat. Like I said, personal preference. So since I was doing this with one hand, unfortunately I wasn't able to show when I used the hot glue to put it down into the crease, as you can see in this next clip. So I'm just showing here that I did go ahead and hot glue those center pieces together, and then I also did go ahead and take the edges here and also hot glue them, like fold them over and hot glue them, only so that the fringes weren't showing. And then you're going to go ahead and do the same thing and fold each end to meet in the center again, and you will also be hot gluing that as well there to the center. So once we have all that glued, we're just gonna go ahead and put this to the side and accordion it at a later time. When I say accordion, you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyways, and next we go ahead and take just a little piece. It's about, I wanna say 1.5 inches thick. We're gonna do the same thing with the center. So you wanna go ahead and just fold it in half, and then we're gonna go ahead and iron it just to get that crease. And then once again, use the hot glue to go ahead and put those pieces in the center to make a little strip for the center of our bow. So yes, it's not your eyes. We went from a thin band to a thicker band. Measurements just were way off. The bow was too small. When I did the accordion style to make the bow, I messed up, so I was trying to fix it with the thicker band. Just didn't work, so I basically had to start over from scratch. So you'll see me struggling here, and then I just give up. Yep, I just give up. But here's a new bow. I ended up just doing my own measurements, guys, honestly, to make a bigger bow, and then I took the center and just wrapped it around. I used the original center that I did make previously to finish the bow off. I'm so much happier with this bow, so I'm glad I decided to do that. But anyways, here's our ears. We just have to take them out of the package so that we can go ahead and place our bow where we would like them. Once again, this is personal preference where you would like to put the bow. I put mine more towards the front, only because it didn't crease the bow that much and made it look super duper cute. So you just want to position them and then hot glue them to your ears. And then here's the finished product with our bows on our ears, and I cannot wait to wear these to the parks. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.